To get started with HTML, we need the handwriter editor, which you can get from Google Play Store. Now I'll start by clicking on the handwriter free, and then here we have a blank page, and I start by typing this and then HTML. Now I have to select the HTML5 template because we are dealing with HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML. Now I have the HTML environment with different tags. Now here is an opening tag and a close tag, an opening tag and a close tag, another opening tag and a close tag. Now this part defines the title of our page, and I'll set the title to HTML class. Now here we go, and then the body displays the contents of our page, and I'll start by creating an header first with h1, and then let's say HTML class, and then I close it. And before I forget, the header has different sizes. We have from h1 to h6, that is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. But let me also use the h6, which is the smallest size. No, okay, h6, and then say introduction to HTML, and then I have to close it. Okay, let me come down and create a paragraph text by saying HTML class is blah 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 blah. Okay, and then I close it. Now the next thing for me to do is to save my work, and for me to save I need to click on this side. And then I have my directory here, and okay, let me create a new folder. Let me create a new folder, and let's call it HTML class. Okay, now let me look for HTML class. HTML class. Okay, here it is, and then I have to save it as index.html, index.html, and I click on the save button. Okay, now our page is ready, and the next thing for me to do is to click on the play button over here, and here it is. I have my page, HTML class, introduction to HTML, HTML classes, blah blah blah. Okay, I can also view this page on my browser, and by clicking on this path and then open in browser, and then let me select the browser of my choice. I prefer Opera. Okay, it's loading. Okay, and here we go. We have what? We have our page over here. The HTML class, introduction to HTML. HTML is blah blah blah. So that's that for now. See you next time.